Do you find yourself asking time and again, ये अच्छे लोग मिलते क्यों नहीं? Do you find yourself asking time and again कि ये अच्छे लोग टिकते क्यों नहीं है यार कंपनी में? मैं कितना भी समझाता हूं इनको, ये लोग ढंग से काम करते क्यों नहीं है? Are you unable to attract the right talent? Is it that there is an air of indifference in your organization कि किसी को पड़ी नहीं है कि काम हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? अगर इसमें से कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर yes है, and if you have on board people who are hurting your cause more than helping, then please understand, आप उन entrepreneurs के ग्रुप में हैं, those who have not been able to reconcile this very fact that business skills are people skills. Hi, my name is Manish Gupta. I'm an entrepreneur and a business coach. And for the last many years, I've been helping entrepreneurs not only scale up their business, but also build better businesses with ease and joy. एक बहुत ही पावरफुल बढ़िया वर्कशॉप डिजाइन किया है द बिजनेस ग्रोथ समिट विद द थीम बिजनेस स्किल्स आर पीपल स्किल्स. I'll be speaking on 4 very powerful fundamentals of people-based challenges. Number 1, the 3 simple steps but powerful steps of attracting the right talent. Number 2, the 4 fundamentals of hiring. Number 3, analyzing people through a very powerful people analyzing tool. And number 4, 5 proven steps of result-oriented delegation. I know this looks like a lot of promise, but thousands of entrepreneurs have benefited the last many years through the Business Growth Summit. I promise you that you will walk away with a wealth of knowledge which will not only transform your business, but also the way you look at your business. All you got to do is click on the link below, and for just ₹99, you are part of this awesome workshop. हम कितने भी प्लान बना लें, हम कितने भी स्ट्रैटेजीज बना लें, but the fact of matter is that अगर अच्छी टीम नहीं है, nothing matters, isn't it? So see you in the workshop.